Packing named arguments into a dict. I know I can turn function arguments into a dictionary if the function takes in quarks. However, is the opposite true? Can I pack named arguments into a dictionary and return them? The hand-coded version looks like this. But it seems like there must be a better way. Note that I am trying to avoid using quarks in the function. Named arguments work better for an ide with code completion.
It sounds like you are looking for locals. Note, however, that this will return a dictionary of all names that are within the scope of foo. This shouldn't be a problem if your functions are like that given in your question. If it is, however, you can use inspect.get for largspec and a dictionary comprehension to filter locals.
If you want to support the channel, please consider